Hey, Jake with B&H, CES 2019, day 2. I'm on the show floor. Had to stop at the Canon booth. They've unveiled 3 new camera models, which you can see behind me. First is the Vixia HF G50. It is a 4K Ultra HD camcorder. And they have 2 new waterproof cameras, the first ever waterproof Vixia camcorders, the HFW11 and the HFW10. Look, it's really underwater. I didn't believe it, but I can see my face. It's working. It's crazy. As I said, the first ever waterproof Vixia camera, HFW10 and HFW11. Both are submersible up to 16 feet. The W10 has 8 gigabytes of internal memory. The W11 has 32 gigabytes. Both have an SD card slot that is secured by a rubber gasket. These cameras are perfect for family adventures at the beach or the backyard swimming pool. They can each shoot up to full HD 60p, perfect for slow-mo underwater shots. Both cameras feature a 5-hour internal battery. The W11 also features an LED light built in on the front. The Vixia HF G50, the 4K Ultra HD camcorder for consumers, featuring a 1/2.3-inch sensor, 8.29 megapixels, will shoot Ultra HD 4K at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 60 frames per second. It's Jake with B&H, reporting from CES 2019. I'm gonna go find another booth. Just keep shooting.